Isn't it amazing that people can be so similar, yet so different? What seems completely illogical to one person may seem rational to the next. User research helps you remove assumptions and understand the intricacies of people, their ambitions, opinions, and what drives them. With these insights, you can put people at the heart of your decisions, solve their problems, delight them, and create impact you know they'll love. Optimal Workshop is a user research platform that helps you build better experiences, quicker, easier, and at scale. Whether it's conducting a card sort to find out how people categorize and group information, launching a tree test to identify where they get lost in your content, producing a first-click test to understand where they expect to find things on your website, creating an online survey to end the dog versus cat debate once and for all, or capturing and analyzing qualitative observations to discover their innermost wants and needs. Optimal Workshop offers multiple intuitive methods within one single platform to support your user research journey from beginning to end. It gives you the ability to conduct fast and affordable research that takes you from insights to action in days, not weeks. Through beautiful visualizations and easy-to-understand analysis, quality participant recruitment without the lofty price tag, and customer support and education that empowers you to continuously improve, grow, and succeed. At Optimal Workshop, we put people at the heart of our decisions, so you can too.